So here's a couple things that I drew. It looks kind of crazy now because it is graphite, but I'll show it up. This is a self-portrait I did when I wasn't vlogging, and I really loved how it turned out. I want to get it framed. It's just a way of how I envision myself. And one day I do want to get my face tattooed and stuff like that, because I always felt like that's something I wanted to do, not because of fat or anything like that, but just something I felt in my heart and that my soul wants for my body. If that makes sense. If it doesn't make sense, whatever, it doesn't matter because I'm my own person. But I love tattoos. If you don't know that already about me, I love tattoos, and my dream is to be a tattoo artist and one day be as good as I draw on paper onto skin. And then here's another thing that I drew, and it was really spiritual for me because I kept seeing Ganesh, and I kept seeing her, or seeing Ganesh, and I didn't know much about it and why I kept seeing it, but I think everything has meaning, and I just drew this all, I just drew all this, what I felt, and like the signs in the hands and the flowers, what they mean and stuff, and the peony flower means peace, and I wanted peace, and this was during the time that I was trying to struggle still, which I am struggling still, with myself in my emotions, but I'm getting a lot better at them because I understand where they're coming from and stuff like that, and I'm not just feeling in the dark, but I feel a lot better as a whole now than I did before. But those are the two drawings that I did that I really feel proud of. And then I worked on this too. I don't know if people, this is, I recently finished this one. It's adaptation of Finding Dory. If you guys ever seen Finding Dory, then you kind of know. But I try to do a little bit of realism and stuff and make it my own type of thing. And that's what I did right here. So hope you guys like that. It's really detailed. And it's small, but I spent a lot of time on it because I wanted to make everything perfect. And I finished this one in December. And then the most recent one that I done that I'm really, really proud of myself is this Frida Kahlo one that I done. Her head's in like one of those specimen things, and I just stepped outside my comfort zone kind of drawing this one because I felt like it was going to be too much, but I think I did really good. Especially with these ones, I've like tried doing more detailed things to get more detail in there to show my capabilities and stuff like that, to push myself as an artist, even though I wasn't feeling good emotionally and mentally. But that's another reason why I drew Frida Kahlo, because I love her story and I love who she was as an artist. Like, even though she went through pain, it's like what everybody knows her for is the pain that she went through, but she still created things and breathed life into things, and that's something that I always admired about her a lot. Oh, and I made this little tattoo flash thing because I love tortillas and I am part Mexican, so it says tortillas forever, and it's a little picture of a tortilla with a little design I done. It's not the best, but I like it. But that's what I've been doing lately. It's drawing a lot. Right now I'm working on the Trailer Park Boys drawing, and I'll put a little bit of that in my blog later, but I need to charge my camera up a little bit more. Computer shut off on me. But I just want you guys to get to know me and see who I am, because sometimes I feel like I don't know who myself is either as I'm getting older. But I just want to make friends and use YouTube as a tool for my art and to meet people. I can't stress it enough, because I don't really have friends in real life except for people who are my family, and I'd like to meet new people. And I have rats, if you didn't know that already. You can watch my other vlogs and videos and see them. Luna actually passed away not too long ago. They passed away. But now I have 4 rats. I have 2 boys and I have 2 girls. My 2 girls that I raised, Luna's daughters, Leche and Indica. Then I have my other boys. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a few. Hey, today's not Friday, it's Sunday the 15th, and I'm making some pumpkin curry for dinner right here, right now. And this is what it looks like. It's a bit runny because there's added coconut milk, and it was light, so I don't know if that made a difference. But there is potatoes, chicken, onion, peas, and garbanzo beans, and cauliflower too. I almost forgot cauliflower. But yeah, that's what I'm making right now. Potatoes, peas, chicken, cauliflower, and onions. Onions. We are at Titlow Park in Tacoma. I don't think I walked this way before, but we're just trying to get some more exercise and be active, even though it's cold. Jeremy and Brandon are playing with hacky sack.
Oh, you didn't say think that.
Wait, how do I do it? There's a guy!
I wish we were on that bridge right now, so when the train flies over us, it can blow its hot ass heat smoke.
Hey!
And get us dead.
Hey girl, you're looking great. It's really muddy out though right now, but it's okay. Don't fall, Jeremy. You might slip and fall. It's crunchy. It's crunchy. Ice, ice, baby. Bing, ding, 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 ding.
Here it comes. I see its light.
Here comes the train.
It's going hella slow.
Right? It is going slow.
It must have oil or something.
And then it blows up right in front of us. Guys, it smells like poop, doo-doo, manure, shit, because there's poop behind us, but this is a really pretty shot. Look you can see the Narrows Bridge. Oh shit, the train's moving slowly.
Super heavy.
Whew, it's sticky. Just breathe out through your mouth. Don't breathe through your nose. I'm just kidding. No, but seriously. Ew. This is really cool. Ticks. We could be like Spider-Man and jump on the back. Jeremy, this is that poop stuff that I was talking about, I think. Stinky. Ooh, stinky.
That one you could because the bars, the doors. But some of these you can't climb up.
Trains are really cool.
I mean, these ones you could. Those short ones, but that? No. You can't jump that. You got to.
She's talking about if you can jump the train, not the plane.
Like the way of the train route, you have to use that to your advantage. Probably.
You're in motion.
Cool, it stinks over here so bad, like poop. But we're just hanging in there tough. Oh, smelling this poop. Yeah. It stinks really bad. But this is Titlow. If you walk through Titlow, this is what you'll see. It's a really pretty place. We come here quite often because it's really close. And I like coming here. It's awesome. Chill spot. The toke smoke spot. If you're grown, 21 and over. Cannabis is legalized in Washington State. True. We got some momentum here.
Yeah, that would be shitty.
It's blowing around that poop scent, but that's okay.
That wouldn't work.
The bridge looks so pretty.
So flat, probably.
Otherwise, you just probably tear your body in half.
What the hell is it? Hacky sack. Ah! Jeremy's jumping on the train! Ooh, that's loud. She's Snapchatting. Damn, look at how pretty. See, I'm so proud to be from the Pacific Northwest because look at how beautiful it is. Born and raised here. You guys, happiness is coming out into the world and seeing Mother Nature like this and how it grows on man-made things. It's so beautiful. Jeremy's beautiful. We're all beautiful. And this is a nice thing. I just love the moss, how it grows. It's so beautiful to me. It's like art Mother Nature reclaims. Is this muddy? It is muddy, a little bit muddy. Oh wow. Pretty. Wow. Sashi's head's in the way, but that's alright. Brandon's jumping in! I ain't jumping down, that's too scary. Hi, honey. You liking this view? It's so beautiful. Wow, look at that airplane up there. That's so beautiful over there. Gorgeous. What a gorgeous view. Yeah, that's beautiful. But you guys, I love doing stuff like this. I used to get mad when we used to go out, but now I enjoy it. It's so fun now.
It's beautiful.
It's beautiful. I love nature. Nature's bomb. Nature is bomb.
See those pics?
Not right now. You can see them on the computer.
Yeah.
Cause I know, right?
Careful of that rock.
These rocks are cool too. Like
But it's going so straight.
right, like it's floating. Don't know what it is. Weird. It's a dead body. Just kidding. Look at this dude fishing out here inside the water. Hey, you sis! Just kidding. Hey! She being reckless. Look at this tree. Look at the texture of the tree. That's one thing I always look for when I'm out, to look at textures of things, trees, colors, all that. Remember the colors. That's what makes life fruitful. made one of these before. This I never. It looks really
Oh
pretty.
my god, look at this. Sun
Check it out in the
exploding my eyeballs.
beautiful shot. Jeremy say exploding his eyebrows, but whatever.
Eyeballs.
What did I say? Eyebrows? I meant eyeballs.
Ah, the sun is too bright. Ah,
So
turn it
pretty.
off.
And Brandon's making another one.
Ah.
I did it!
Cold out here. I can see my breath.